the loan amount. So these insurance companies, they don't pay. Let's say someone who has got issues, I might have everyone at least involved in this activity. So as the bank, towards SACCOs, we have so many benefits that we give you. One, of course, I wouldn't advise you this, but in case you don't buy more shares, that means you need capital. So when you come to borrow from the bank, we'll give you loans as a SACCO, and then we can go ahead and depending on the savings that you have on the account, so long as the chairperson gives you a recommendation, I hope you have the stamps and everything, headed papers. The chairperson gives you a recommendation that you have a certain portion of savings. Let's say you have like 2 million, you have like maybe 500, and you need a loan. Let's say the SACCO does not have money. The bank can still finance because you people save with us, meaning your savings are there in the bank. Okay, but I will advise you, please buy more shares. Actually, what I did tell you, I personally manage a SACCO at our church there, and I'm the managing director. So please buy more shares. Buy more shares so that the SACCO should have enough capital. So as the bank, in case the SACCO needs a loan, I've seen you have a plan of buying a plot. That one will be security. Yes, please buy that plot and make sure it is in the SACCO name. Make sure the SACCO is registered. Make sure you have the certificate for the SACCO, because when you come to the bank, we will ask you for all those requirements. So when your portfolio grows and you need to give like more than 12.5 million, you can come to the bank and we support you on a very low interest, because per annum will give you at 13%, that is around 1.08 per month. As a SACCO, it's a very good interest. Yes, so the other recommendations that we need as the bank, and you need a loan, a SACCO loan from the bank. We need a recommendation from the CEO. We need registered minutes. I don't know whether you're under URSB. I don't know. Okay, so then we usually do a trace search. The board members usually do a trace search. There is this thing that is eating up people. These are mobile credits, Bumo Cash, NCBA, Mwabwenda Kuliolo. Yes, with time I will advise you, please make sure you register with a CRB bureau, because you're growing. Before anyone borrows, you should be knowing this person's capacity, this person's debts. You run that trace search. It is necessary for this, because you will give someone money. This person has taken 500 from this SACCO, has borrowed from Richego, has borrowed from Centenary Bank, has borrowed from even these more cash nowadays reflect, but they help you make decisions. Yes, make sure you register with a trace search. It's called Credit Reference Bureau. Yes, CRB. Register with, so that all the SACCO members, when they are coming to borrow, you see their borrowing history and how they have been paying. Yes, so that you can capture all those loans in the credit history and then make a good decision. You don't just give people money. Hey, you want this one? Okay, sign here, go. No. Then make sure you consider insurance. I don't know which percentage you will select, but you will sit down as a team and say, with the insurance company, it is better the executive will meet the insurance company After that, they come back to you, then you decide on different types of loans that you have. Okay? Then, of course, as you grow, since you want to buy security, that one will work. In case you want to borrow from the bank, and like for example, now you don't have any security, one of the board members here can volunteer and give SACCO security. Then you can also use that one to borrow money from us and then give to the SACCO members. But you usually do a trace search for SACCO members. By the way, in case someone has a written off, I don't know whether you understand it. In case someone has a written off, whether it is for a mobile credit, that person is always high risk. Yes, so please, the chairperson, make sure you do that for the CRB. Then, at Centenary Bank, I've just spoke to the branch manager and he promises to support you with a computer. So Mr. Slight will follow up with me. We see that we'll get it from the branch to the SACCO. Yes. The other issue I'll talk about is financial discipline. Members, let us live within our means. Money is a very good product. Everyone desires to have money, but let us live within our means and don't live that extravagant life because you will end up in a Ruzira. Okay? So the SACCO should always organize like small trainings, tell people how to manage their finances and don't overborrow. Okay? Then the other thing with being in a SACCO, once you buy these shares, the dividends come back to you. You see, for example, for us to work for the bank, but at the end of the day, the shareholders earn a lot. So this thing may grow with time to a microfinance. With time, you find you people being a bank and you'll be the people who will benefit. So kindly save, buy more shares. Then I will not leave this place without talking about other products that we have in Centenary Bank because I've seen here the
Chihara TV, connecting communities.